Hello, Mark Crossfield here. Some quick fire questions coming at you, so let's get stuck in. Okay, message here from Tom. Hey Mark, I'm looking for a new set of forged irons, but I'm struggling to find anything that I like more than my current set. When it comes to forged, better players' irons, have there been significant technology advancements made in the last decade, especially when compared to the leaps and bounds made in game improvement irons? Well, interesting question, Tom. Honest answer, no. There's been very little improvements in a forged, better player bladed iron. What can they improve? It's a slab of metal. The feeling, the sounds would have changed. So it's all these kind of feeling based words. So if you're finding you're hitting other forged clubs and you're not enjoying them more, you don't like the sound, you don't like the feel more than the ones you're using, then apart from wanting something shiny and new, why would you change? So big advancements in forged irons, not really. And I don't think the manufacturers would even say there has been. They are literally shaving soles, changing shapes in the back to try and make the sound slightly different, changing the colour, white satin through the chrome, because they know there isn't massive things that they can do with these kind of clubs. So is there massive improvements? No. And if you're struggling to find something you enjoy more than yours, don't spend the money, save it. Thanks guys, hope that helps, and post comments down below. So if you like what's going on here, don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel. Also thumbs up the video, post comments, love to hear what you guys got to say. Let's keep it social. The more we talk, the more we share, the easier this game will get for everybody. So if you want to find me on Facebook here, you can find me on Facebook. If you want to tweet me, find me on Twitter here as well. Just follow the links, all in the description. Come and join the show, get active, get involved, get playing some better golf. Thanks for watching.